I'm the summarizer. I'm the word master.
I'm the passage person.
I'm the connector.
I'm the cultural connector.
Can I ask you a few questions before going to the summarizer?
Yes.
Here comes the first question. How do you feel after reading the story?
Let me answer this question. I think after I read this story, I feel very scary because it is full of blood and the cat will revenge his master.
Thank you. And here is the second question. If you were the man in the story, how would you control yourself not to become a happy drinker?
If I were the man in the story, I would tell my friends and my parents to remind me not to drink a lot in the bar.
Thank you. Summarizer, can you give a summary to the story?
Okay, first of all, I'll talk about the main events in the story. The author loves animal deeply. However, he drank a lot when he became older. After he drank, he would become violent and cruel his animal. He even kills his favorite animal, cat, which called Pluto, and his wife. He tries to hide his crime, but what he had done is discovered by the police. Second, let's talk about the characters in the story. First is the author. The author is the man who loves animals deeply, but after he drank, he turns violent and cruel his animal. Second, the author's wife. The author's wife is a girl who married with the author, and she loves animals too. Third is a black cat, Pluto, which killed by the author, and his soul want to revenge his master. Third, I will go on the summary of the story. The author of the story used to love animals a lot. He keeps different kinds of pets at home. However, his favorite one is Pluto, which is a black cat. Once he drinks a lot and cuts one of Pluto's eyes from his socket. He feels ashamed of what he did, but the feeling can't help him to change his life. One morning, the author uses a loop to try around Pluto's neck. On that night, the writer's house had a fire. After that, on the only remaining wall, the author sees the shape of Pluto with a loop around his neck. The writer has another black cat again, but he doesn't like it very much. Accidentally, he killed his wife because of the black cat. He burns his wife's body behind the walls of the cellar. Finally, his crime has discovered by the police, and he must face the death. This is the end of my story.
Thank you. Now, let's invite our connector to give a connection to us.
Okay, in the story, the black cat, we know the man loved the animals so much at first, but when he starts to drink, he becomes very cruel, very rude, very evil, just like that. And then he killed the Plutos and finally killed his wife, and he got it. Okay, we know about drinking is not only health and also, but also change our characters and become very doing something very unconsciously, doing something without any force. Have any Europeans have their own opinions about drinking? Ideas or things, maybe some advantage or disadvantage.
Actually, I have an uncle who likes drinking very much, and I heard him that he drinks a lot of beer each night, and he just didn't drunk because he drinks too much. But his organs are becoming poor and poor, so I'm very worried about his health.
Is there any disadvantage of his body or his of your uncle?
He is. I think he's rather old and something, so he's very weak and easily to be sick.
This is the end of your comments.
Thank you. Now, let's invite our passage person to give a presentation to us.
I have selected 3 passages in the book. My first passage is the page 3, lines 1 to 6. Let me read it to you. Most people, once or twice in their lives, do bad things that they feel ashamed of afterwards. Perhaps this is something bad, something stupid or unkind, even cruel or painful. But few people go beyond this and do things so evil, so violent, so terrible, and the rest of the world turns away from them in horror. My reasons for choosing this passage because I think that this passage is quite special, and the writer used a lot of different adjectives to show his opinion on the bad things did by most people. And my question is, why do you think that the people keep on doing bad things that they know that they are wrong?
Let me answer this question. I think the people who bully the animals is because nowadays people in Hong Kong have many pressure on their daily life, such as work or about their family relationship. So that they want to release their pressure, and they use the force method to release their pressure. That means is to bully the animals.
Thank you. My second passage is page 5, lines 10 to 19. I asked Webmaster to read it.